Question 11. The graphical representation of an algorithm is called flowchart, rectangle, oval, data flow diagram. Right answer, flowchart. Question 12. Assembly language can be translated by compiler, interpreter, both A and B, none of these. Right answer, both A and B. Question 13. The harvesting mean mental shortcuts in advising and counseling, decision making, thinking and counseling, decision and implementation. Right answer, decision making. Question 14. Dash language is used for business application. Python, Basic, COBOL, Assembly. Right answer, Python. Question 15. RAM is dash memory. Permanent, volatile, magnetic, none of these. Right answer, volatile. Question 16. The fastest memory of computer is cache memory, floppy disk, ROM, RAM. Right answer, cache memory. Question 17. Television broadcasting is an example of simplex, half duplex, full duplex, none of these. Right answer, simplex. Question 18. Which of the following is low language transistor? Assembler, compiler, interpreter, none of these. Right answer, assembler. Question 19. The process of writing a program by using any language is called algorithm, testing, debugging, coding. Right answer, coding. Question 20. Dash topology uses routers. Bus, Bing, mesh, star. Right answer, mesh.